After a short visit here on Kanuan, we have now put up the anchor again and we're gonna head south a little bit. It's only 6 nautical miles down to a little island called Myro. And we heard many great things about this little island, and just outside of it is the nature reserve of Tobago Cays. So probably gonna stop by Mayreau and be there for some days, and then we're gonna head out to Tobago Cays. Where are we now?
In Salt Whistle Bay.
And on which island?
Myro.
Nice. And what are you gonna do today?
Snorkel. Chillax. Can we bring it to the boat?
Well, it's tempting, but walking and exploring the little island of Mayreau. It's a really small island compared to the ones we've been to before. There's only one road, and if you walk in a just calm pace, it takes about 20 minutes to walk the whole road from one side of the island to the other. And the village is tiny as well. There are a few bars, a couple of grocery stores, and just a lot of friendly people and a good atmosphere. So I'm just gonna walk around there for a while and check it out. What you doing?
Making bread in the pan once again. But it's actually turning out really good since it's yeast in it now. Or yeast, not yeast. I was going to say yeast. So yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
It's so hot.
It's pretty warm, man. I can agree with that. These breads right here are great, and there's raisins in them, so they are actually a little bit like buns, or I don't know, bread mixed up with buns, which makes it great. Yesterday morning we moved from Salt Whistle Bay to this bay we're at right now. We're still on Mayreau. This one is called Saline Bay, and yeah, we moved because the swell was getting bigger and bigger in Salt Whistle Bay, so during the night the boat was rocking really badly. Linn barely got any sleep, and yeah, so we moved here, and here it's much more comfortable. And today is cleaning day because tomorrow our new crew member Evelina is coming, so we're cleaning the boat to make it look nice for her arrival. And yeah, I'm just gonna do some snorkeling later on, head into town and just sit down and chill at some little bar or something. Yeah. Left the boat and swam into shore to hike where I am right now to the salt pond and have a look at it. So this is a pretty big little lake here, which is very rich with salt, At the moment it's pretty dry, and right now there are some local guys who sometimes come here to dig up some salt from the ground and collect some salt. Otherwise you can see there's like layers of salt lying on the surface, and a pretty interesting place. Doesn't smell too good though, but yeah, here's how it looks.
Why are you sitting here all naked and whiny?
Because I've been having a bit of an ache in my left ear the last 5 days or so, and I thought it was some kind of a little thing just in there that were hurting a little bit. Yes, I started just touching it and all that, and now it's just hurting more and more. And now I got like it's completely stopped in there, so I can almost hear nothing on the left ear.
Yeah, so now he's sitting here whining all the time while I'm making us some dinner.
No.
And he's complaining that, oh, I can't hear anything, and oh, it's hurting so bad.
No, I'm not.
Good morning, everybody. It's our last day here in Myro, and we're about to take the anchor up and leave for Tobago Cays, actually. And luckily yesterday somebody screamed Gustav and Linn at us, and it's Evelina who's on board.
Hi!
Welcome!
So happy to be here!
Yeah. Yeah, so we're the three of us now, and we're heading for Tobago Cays.
We just anchored here in Tobago Cays, and it was very beautiful weather when we came here. The water is crystal clear and turquoise. So we went out to snorkel, and now there came a squall, so the rain is pouring down, and it's actually the first time it's raining in like 2 weeks or so, so we're really happy about it. So we've been taking a shower and
Taking advantage of making some hot chocolate. Today the sun has come out, and we got 2 new friends on our dinghy. Look at this. Hey guys! There's an iguana here, guys.
it's a pretty big one. It's right over there.
Oh yeah, in the tree.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Just enjoying the view here over the Tobago Cays and the crystal clear water they got over here. Just met a couple of iguanas as well, so this is a pretty cool place. Absolutely very different to where we've been before, to the volcano islands. But it's magnificent. It's really nice.
Yeah. It's hummus or I don't know how you say it, with some bread and some specialty that Gustav just tried out.
Cheers, everyone.
Beer in a bowl, we call it.
Yeah, just drinking a little bit of beer. Our beer storage got a little bit of salt water in it, so the beer can started to rust in the bottom, so it wore through and some of them got destroyed, but we got some left that we can save. So I managed to empty it inside of this bowl, and it actually tastes better than in a glass. So
You're gonna keep drinking beer from a bowl then?
oh yes, drinking beer from bowl and flipping homemade bread. That's my new thing.
Comfortable in your new bed?
Very comfortable. I
Nice.
can lie here forever.
Hello everybody, don't forget to give us a like and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next week. Bye!